guys, internet, world, others watch. Welcome to my channel. This story on the channel will be about me converting a Ford Transit medium wheelbase, medium high top van into a campervan. Just another campervan story, so nothing amazing about it. There'll be very little kind of technical filming of me actually doing the thing. It'll just be filming and showing you a bit of my progress as the days go by. My kind of thing is I like to reuse a lot of stuff. I'll recycle. If you've got some wood that you can use it. So I use some old wine boxes and stuff like that, so you'll see as we go along, and hopefully I'll remember to explain it all to you as I'm showing you. So I hope you enjoy the story, and I hope you enjoy my channel. So for now, ta-ra. So I think it's day 3, I think. I've insulated both walls, that wall, and that wall, or half the wall. I've got all this insulation, so second hand, didn't cost me anything, so I'm as well using it. I've got a row of plastic bottle stuff from B&Q. I'm just going to put that up here in the roof. I'm 5 foot. This is a Transit medium wheelbase, semi-high top. So I'm 5'7", and I can just, I've got a couple of inches. So instead of using the king span, I'm going to use this plastic bottle stuff in the ceiling so I don't lose any height. Because I'm going to put this king span in the floor, a couple of inches of it, so I'm going to lose 2 inches off the floor, so I can't afford to lose anything off the ceiling. But I've got these bed frames here. Not sure if I'll use them or not. I'll probably use the slats off them for my bed. So that's where I'm at the moment. I'll let you know. I'll get back to you when I've got on a bit. Okay, so this is where we're at now. Just putting these battens up. I put them into the side here rather than underneath, so I don't come any lower than that. This one was a wee bit awkward and I've had to stick that one up. So it's up there curing just now. And I've done this insulation back here. Still to silver tape it and stuff, but it's not bad. It's getting there. Just this murder working with all this lying around you, drives you crazy, but what can you do? So that's my kind of idea now, just cutting it in half, you know, like 30mm thick. So just fill that with some expanding foam. Start to run cables, that's why I've left all this kind of empty up here. Once I run cables on, I'm going to fill that in. Got this up here, still waiting on this stuff curing to hold it in place. I should still be able to. I'm going to do what I've done here, do that over here. That will finish the roof in it, which then means I can start to put this cladding on it here. Not sure if I'm just going to do the ceiling cladding or am I going to come down the wall as well. I was thinking of coming down that wall, this wall, and then right up over the roof. But then I'm going to do a row of cabinets up here. So I could do it. I could start from there and work my way right round. Cabinets now, I've got a choice of whether I want to continue after the cabinets or not. It's a pretty cheap and easy way to do it. It's just every time you buy plywood to cover it, you as much as you cover it with plywood, and then you have to cover it with a fabric, which will cost you money. Glue will cost you money. Done and groove, it's just some money for some buttons, some screws, and the actual cladding itself. So I'll let you see it when I've done. No cladding, just once I do this, insulate this bit up here, I'm going to cover it with all this all the way along. That should get us to here, and that means the full, well, I'll still get a floor to do. I did just put a layer of reflectix under the floor because of the height thing, but I want it to be toasty, so this floor will need to come up at some point, and I'll put battens down there. Put battens down there, I'll put insulation down, put this things back down. Again, I'll just probably cut that in half. It's 60mm, so if I cut it in half, I've got 30mm, that's just over an inch, so I'll leave an inch. I can afford to lose an inch, and I'll still be able to stand up. Maybe rubbing my head against it, bloody ceiling right enough, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, till next time, bye. And this is where I got to now. All the ceiling's all done. Don't know if you'll get the light rubbish in here. It's nearly 9 o'clock at night now. But I managed to get some of the roof done. There's my dog. That's licking the lid. So that's enough for tonight. So, couple of beers tonight. slowly getting there. Finish this tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for now. Not bad for the end of day 3, so getting there. See how it goes. I'm not sure how to do it. I don't know whether to build my own. Yeah, I'm going to build most of the interior. My brother's going to build most of the interior, but I don't know whether to get like an old caravan maybe. That's what I've been thinking about, so we'll see. Decisions really. But yeah, quite happy with my progress so far. So, till next time, ta-ra.